The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Schenectady County in New York until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Troy, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Duanesburg, Glenville, Niskayuna, Princetown, Rotterdam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.